Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's topic is factorization and we are going to solve question number 7, exercise 1A. Let's see how can we solve this question. X square minus 11x plus 29 power 6 x square plus x minus 2. This is equal to x square minus 11x plus 29 power 0. Now bases are same and the powers will be equal. So you can write this question as 6x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. This is the reduced form. Now on simplification you will get 6x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Taking common, 2x is common and you are left with 3x plus 2 minus 1 is common. You are left with 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now 3x plus 2 is common and you are left with 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Either 3x plus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 2 over 3. Right side you have 2x equal to 1 and x will be 1 over 2. That's all for today. This was the last part of this exercise. Thanks for watching.